The midpoint of the sides of a triangle are 2, 4, minus 2, 3 and 5, 2. Find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. This one is the question. So triangle ABC. So the midpoint of AB, BC and AC, respectively DEF. So midpoint of AB minus 2, 3. This one is midpoint of BC 2, 4 and 5, 2 AC. So here apply the midpoint formula. This one is a formula. Midpoint formula. The midpoint of the line segment. This one is A, B, x1, y1, x2, y2. So this one is midpoint. Midpoint. So midpoint of the line segment formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2. So first you find the midpoint of AB. The midpoint of AB x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to minus 2, 3. So you take this one, the first term. The second term you take this one. So x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to minus 2. So x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to 2. So cross multiplication x1 plus x2 equal to minus 2 to 4 equation number 1. Similarly y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to 3. Cross again, similarly you take the cross multiplication y1 plus y2 equal to 6. So this is equation number 2. So first you take the midpoint of AB. Similarly, the midpoint of BC. The midpoint of BC here x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2 equal to 2, 4. So this one principle x2 plus x3 by 2 equal to 2. x2 cross multiplication. x2 plus x3 equal to 2 to 4 equation number 3. Similarly, y2 plus y3 by 2 equal to 4. y2 plus y3 equal to 8 equation number 4. And then midpoint of AC. The midpoint of AC x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2 equal to 5, 2. So this one x1 plus x3 by 2 equal to 5. y1 plus y3 by 2 equal to 2. So x1 plus x cross multiplication. x1 plus x3 equal to 10 equation number 5. y1 plus y3 by 2 equal to 2. y1 plus y3 equal to 2 to 4 equation number 6. So first you take first equation and equation number 1 and equation number 3. Subtract these two equations. First equation x1 plus x2 equal to minus 4. x2 plus x3 equal to 4. Subtract with sign change in the second term. So minus x2 plus x2 cancel. So remaining x1 minus x3 equal to minus 4 minus 8. Already you know minus u add minus 1 equal to minus. So x1 minus x3 equal to minus 8 equation number 7. Next you take the equation number 5 and equation number 7. These two equations you get solved. So here plus x3, here minus x3, add these two equations 5 plus 7. So x1 plus x3 equal to 10, x1 minus x3 equal to minus 8. These two terms are cancelled. 1 plus 1 2 x1 equal to 2, x1 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. So x1 equal to 1. So the first term x1 equal to define, substitute the value of x1 equal to 1 in equation number 1. First equation x1 plus x2 equal to minus 4. Here substitute x1 1 plus x2 equal to minus 4, x2 equal to minus 4 plus 1 to the right hand side minus 1. So x2 equal to minus 4 minus 1. This principle you apply. Minus 2 minus minus. So x2 equal to minus 4 minus 1 minus 1. So the value of x2 is 5. Substitute again, substitute x2 equal to minus 1 equation number 3. The equation number 3 x2 plus x3 equal to 4. So substitute here x2 minus 5 plus x3 equal to 4. x3 equal to 4. The minus 5 on the right hand side plus 5. So x3 equal to 4 plus 5, 9. So we find x1, x2, x3 we find. Similarly, you take the equation number 2 and 4. The equation number 2 this one and the equation number 3, 4 this one. So here subtract plus minus plus sign change minus y3 minus 8. So plus y2 minus y2 cancel. So y1 minus y3 equal to 6 minus 8 minus 2 equation number 8. Similarly, equation number 6 and equation number 8 you take. So equation number 6, this one is equation number 8. Here plus y3, here minus y3, add these two equations. So this one is cancelled. y1 plus y1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 4 minus 2, 2. So y1 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. So y1 equal to 1. So next substitute y1 equal to 1 in equation number 2. Second equation, to take second equation, y1 plus y2 equal to 6. Here substitute y1 equal to 1 plus y2 equal to 6. Then y2 equal to 6 plus 1, go the right hand side minus 1. So y2 equal to 6 minus 1, 5. So already y1, y2 we find. Again substitute y2 equal to 5 in equation number 4. The equation number 4, you take y2 plus y3 equal to 8. Here substitute 5 plus y3 equal to 8. y3 equal to 8 plus 5, go the right hand side minus 5. So y3 equal to 3. Again substitute the y3 equal to 3 in equation number 4. So this equation number 4, y2 plus y3 equal to 8. So here y2 plus y3, already we find 3, substitute here equal to 8. y2 equal to 8 plus 3, go the right hand side minus 3. So y2 equal to 8 minus 3, 5. So all the terms y1, y2, y3, x1, x2, x3 we find it. Therefore the vertices of a triangle A of x1 by 1, B of x2 by 2 and C of x3 by 3. Therefore substitute here A of 1 comma 1, B of minus 5 comma 5, C of 9 comma 3. So all the vertices A, B, C are 5. This one is the answer. So again, once again, allow you listen. So the vertices of the triangle we find. The midpoint of AB, BC, AC are given. So first you apply the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula x1 plus x2 plus very important sum. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. First you take AB side. The midpoint are given. So you take simply a term, first term x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to minus 2. The cross multiplication, finally x1 plus x2 equal to minus 4, equation number 1. Similarly, y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to 3. Again you simplify y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to 6, equation number 2. The same principle apply here, BC side. Okay, the midpoint 2 comma 4. So x2 plus x3 equal to 4. y2 plus y3 equal to 8. 4 2s are 8. So equation number 3, equation number 4. Two sides are already taken. The third side, the midpoint of AC. The midpoint of AC, this one x1, x3, y1, y3. So finally x1 plus x3 equal to 10. y1 plus y3 equal to 4. Therefore first equation and the third equation you take. So solve finally x1 minus x3 equal to minus 8. Equation number 7. So for 50 equation, 70 equation you take. Add these two. x1, 2x1 equal to 2. x1 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. Substitute here the equation number 1. equation number 1, equation number 1. This one x2 equal to -4, -4 to -1, go that right hand plus 1, go that right hand side -1. So -4, -1, -5. So again substitute the x2 equal to -5 in equation number 3. The equation number 3. So x2 substitute here, x3 equal to 4, -5 go that right hand side plus 5, 4 plus 5 9, x3 equal to we find. Already I told again, once again, x1, x2, x3, 3 points are already find it. The second equation, fourth equation to subtract, y2, y2 cancel, sign change, y1 minus y3 equal to -2. So then 60 equation and 80 equation you get, add these two equations, 2y1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. So y1 equal to 1. First here, y1, the value of y1 equal to 1 in substitute equation number 2. This one is equation number 2. 1 plus y2 equal to 6, y2 equal to 6 minus 1. Plus 1 go that right hand side -1, y2 equal to 5. Again substitute y2 equal to 5 in equation number 4. This one is equation number 4. Equation number 4. 5 plus y3 equal to 8. y3 equal to 8 plus 5 go that right hand side -5. So y3 equal to 3. So substitute, again substitute y3 equal to 3 in equation number 4. This is equation number 4. So y2 plus y3 equal to 3, y2 equal to 8 plus 3 go that right hand side -3. So y2 equal to 5. The vertices y1, y2, y3 already we find x1, x2, x3, all the vertices, all the points are we find. Finally, the vertices of a triangle A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2, and C of x3, y3. So substitute here, A equal to 1, 1, B of -5, C of 9, 3. This one is the vertices of the triangle ABC. This sum is very important. All of you carefully do the sum 2 times. This is the sums. Every student 2 times work the sum. So